T. Gray and MK, you are now cleared for flight school takeoff.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. No,
What's up, bro?
you did it.
We're tunicorning.
We totally tuned a chord today.
Yeah, that was
Wow.
not planned.
Hey guys, this was not planned. This just happened naturally.
Yeah.
It's a cold day in Houston, and I guess we both just went for the red hoodie.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
This hasn't happened in a long time on flight school.
Yeah, man. All right. Good
Yes,
deal.
yes. Well, good morning, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Just still having a little bit of issues with my setup. So yeah.
Same here. I mean, they made a change on Zoom. Some updates on Zoom. And so now it's doing this thing where if anything touches the screen that you're sharing, it makes these artifacts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then I'm opening things up and everything just wants to open over that screen. It's ridiculous, but we'll get through it.
Yeah, we will. We will.
Janice says, y'all look cute. Janice,
Janice,
I don't think cute was what we were going for this morning, but I think we've achieved it anyway, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Good deal.
That's good. That's good. Well, good morning, everybody, and good afternoon and good evening from all over the world. We're so happy to see everyone dialing in and logging in for flight school. Yeah,
man. So let's see, where do we have people tuning in from?
Let's see, what do we have? Well, we've got Pastor Marlon Baylor from St. Louis is on here, and guess who's right underneath him? Monica from Budapest. What's up, Monica?
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, for sure. Oh, wait, so hold on a second though. We got Titania also from Budapest. Yeah, Titania.
Budapest is in the house
Budapest
today.
team is growing.
Yes, it absolutely is.
Good deal.
Look at that. We've got Tanya from Brooklyn, New York City. That's what I'm talking about. And Frank from Cairns, Australia.
You know who else we have on here?
What do we have?
We got Dre Paul from New York City.
Dre Paul, what a good guy from New York, Ruby ambassador.
Yeah.
Leaders on.
Some announcements about Dre Paul.
Yeah, I know. That's coming up there. There's something cool about Dre Paul coming up. Rhonda from Duluth, Georgia. What's happening? Yes, absolutely.
Hey, Diamond Danielle Camaro from Atlanta.
Love it. Man, he rocked the house last week.
Yes, he did.
Great training. David Romero from Denver, Colorado, who is also taking shots at us. He called us Little Red Riding Corns this morning.
No.
Shots fired.
No, that's not right. That's not right.
It's like, okay, cool, bro. Great morning from Boston, from Grayson. Way to go. And Tanisa from Jamaica. Yes.
And we got another one. We got Demari from Jamaica as well.
Look at that. Sonny Cruz is laughing at us in Puerto Rico. Matthew Smith from Cleveland and Paha Hola from Czech Republic. And we've got an announcement about Czech Republic this morning.
All right. And we've got Claudia from Roma, Italy.
Yes. Hey. What's up, Claudia? That's what I'm talking about. Josh from Toronto, Canada.
Yeah.
So we love our international flight school iBoomerang family. I see Trinidad and Tobago in the boom. What's up, Jason? And we want to welcome everybody to flight school. And here's what's happening. We're so excited. We've got lots of new people joining the iBoom family. And for those folks who are new to flight school and not really sure what flight school is where we come together every Saturday to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So if you're really serious about creating success in your iBoomerang business, put flight school on your calendar for Saturdays. Don't miss it. Create a flight school culture on your team where they don't miss it. And they get on from the beginning. They get on actually early, watch the videos and stuff that we have in the beginning, and they're right on so they don't miss a single thing, because we're going to give you the announcements. We're going to give you the updates. We're going to answer a lot of the questions that people will be asking over the next few days in customer service on Flight School each week. And there's always a high-powered diamond training that's going to rock your world. And this Saturday, today, will be no different, because we've got Diamond, the first Diamond in France, Abdraman Koma, who will be on today, giving you a great training a little bit later. So we're excited. You ready to rock?
Yes, sir. Let's rock and roll.
All
Let's do
right.
it.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. Oh, shoot.
Welcome to Flight School.
Okay, hold on though.
We can see it.
Yeah, but I don't see the green thing around it. So hold on, let me do this again. Let me try this again.
I wonder if yours just doesn't have a green thing.
No, it has to.
Now it's got a gray thing in front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay, there we go. Wait a second.
Something's over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on, bro. Nothing's covering the screen.
Yeah. What's covering your screen?
Nothing.
That's bananas.
Nothing
That is
covering the
bananas.
screen.
Come
Nothing.
on, Zoom. What are we doing?
Yeah.
All right. We're looking forward to the next Zoom update.
Yeah. Dude, what is?
I'm sure other Zoom clients are
Hold on.
complaining
Let me
about
try
this.
one more time. Let me try one more time.
One more time. Meanwhile, I'm going to say good morning to Ella from Atlanta. What's happening, Ella? And Keith from Jamaica. And Tracy from Albemarle, North Carolina. Yes. You know what? I got to say good morning to Chris from Ghana, too. What's up, Chris in Ghana? Excellent. All right. We're just trying to get our technology straight, and it's not working. All right. I got you. Here we go. Boom.
I don't know how. This is not working. There's nothing covering it.
There we go. You seeing that?
Yeah.
Okay. There's nothing over it, is it?
No.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Just checking all the screens. It's time for the Flight School disclaimer. And this is really important, because we want to make sure that we are rocking a clean business. And there's so many exciting things about iBoomerang. And one of the most exciting things for people is you can make money here. You can. There is a compensation plan and an opportunity to get customers and get paid, and to build an organization and to get paid. But here's the thing. We don't make any guarantees or claims about how much you will get paid, because the only person who can determine that is YOU. Why? Because it's going to be tied to what you do. And some are going to do a lot and make a lot. Some are going to do a little and make a little. And some are going to do nothing and make nothing. So if that's you, it's going to be on you. I love the way our Elevate trainers say it. If you make money, it's your fault. If you don't make money, that's your fault too, right? So we want to make sure that everybody is super clear on that, so we can have a great time and we can be responsible. That's our disclaimer. Make sure you do that every time you do a presentation or a training, so that nobody gets it twisted. All right. How you like that? See a little, you like that little twist, Mark? Don't get it
Yes.
twisted. Okay.
Yeah, like that little twist. So you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. So let me try to share again. I've just taken it off of
Okay.
So I was doing 2 screens.
Okay.
So now I'm down to 1 screen. Oh,
While you
shoot.
do that, I'm going to say hola and buenos dias to you. Doris Lopez in the Valley. What's happening, D-Lo? All right. We got all sorts of folks popping on here. Fire your boss. Chat it in the group here. Don't get it twisted. And mi hermano Luis Cruz and Pamela, Puerto Rico, is in the house. Way to go, peeps. How we doing over there, Mark? I can just say hi to everybody.
Not going.
No,
Not going, bro.
not doing it.
So here, do you see the disclaimer?
I do.
Do you see the next slide?
No.
No. Okay, I'm done. Not gonna
Wow.
work.
No
Yeah, I thought
problem.
maybe switching it from my external monitor would help, but not working, bro.
We got to figure out what's going on with Zoomity
Yeah,
Zoom.
it worked yesterday. That's why I thought it was fixed. So, anyways, all right,
Okay,
bro.
no problem. Here we
Right
go.
on.
Well, we're excited because we have a new translation for flight school.
Yes, sir. New Czech translation. So we've got this for the product call and for flight school. So Czech team is in the house. They are rocking and rolling. I love it. And you know what? They just stepped up, man. They stepped up and said, hey, we want to do Czech translation for these calls. So it's awesome. And Mikhail Smejkal is a leader of that group, the Smejkal brothers.
Mikhail and Andra.
Yeah, yep. So they are rocking and rolling over there. Love it. And
Yeah,
you know what?
absolutely.
We're going to be talking more about these guys because there are several showing up as STAR achievers as well.
Yes. And you know what? I mean, I love the words you use. You use the word stepped up because people ask all the time, how do I get my language translated into flight school? And it's not something that we organize. It's something that the leaders in the group organize. So Andra and Mikhail hit us up and said, hey, our group is on fire. We want flight school translated into Czech on Saturdays. And we put them in touch with Anna Yurichev, who handles that for us, and they made it happen. So we want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of our family in the Czech Republic. Yes. And on the other translation line. So hola, bienvenidos to the folks on the Spanish line. Ciao to the folks on the Italian line. Bonjour to the folks on the French line. And I really hope we don't have any other lines because I don't really know any more stuff.
I don't think so. Awesome.
All right, cool.
Cool. Hey, so Mr. Camaro was our trainer last week, our tournament executive, Danielle Camaro. And you guys knocked it out of the park with 5,061 equivalent servings of nutrition that go to children in need. And this is all through the Boom Foundation. So thank you guys. We love you guys for that.
Yes. That was just so freaking awesome. And even better than that is when we look at the first half-ish of the month, because we got it first to the 18th. Look at all the stars and the impact on the children. 28,290 servings through the Facebook stars and over 14,000 servings of nutrition raised through the Facebook donate button. You guys, so much love. This is the spirit of the iBoomerang family at work. Yes.
So we've got the top 10 that are donating stars this month. And so who's at the top? Number one is Vivian Everett, 27,000 stars given this month. Robin Leatherby at 22,500. Marcus Lewis at 19,340. Joe Harris at 8,900. Diana Hardy at 6,600. And you can do these next five.
I can. Okay. We got Laura Johnson, 5,500. Dome Ree at 3,650. James Riddick, sir, 3,510. Claudia Betway, 2,925. And Sharon D. Anthony at 2,700. So you guys are just staying faithful and showing the love with the stars. Let's keep the stars going during this episode of Flight School, because your stars go to providing servings of nutrition for some of the world's most vulnerable children for the Boom Foundation. We love you guys. There's 3 ways to do it. Mark, you want to tell them how to do it?
Donate button at the Boom Foundation on Facebook. So this is only through Facebook, and you can go directly to the Boom Foundation page, click the donate button. Stars during the live broadcast, like you guys are doing right now. So who just dropped some stars? That was Sabrina Hunt with 50 stars. She's on a 17-week streak.
Sabrina.
you can do that. And then the other part and the other way is fundraisers. So we can go to the next slide there. We've got some fundraisers to talk about.
We do. Okay. Look at this.
Hey, birthday fundraisers. So whenever you have your birthday, Facebook will say, hey, you know what? You have an option to have a fundraiser for your birthday. So when you do have a fundraiser and you choose that option, go ahead and choose the Boom Foundation as the recipient of your fundraiser, like Monica Williams Bynum did, and Rich Douglin, and Stella Manigo, and Collier, Blondell Young, Karen Atkins, Jason Tannery, and then Tarsha Clark.
Love it. Kelly Haptu, Natasha Bolton, Tracy Pullen, Renata Kanapka, Jennifer Owens, Bertolami, Bianca Sains, and Janice Harper. They all did the same, and we love you guys for doing that. You don't have to do it. You could put your Cash App up on for your birthday and have people send you money. But you know what? You guys chose to use your birthday as an opportunity to help out the Boom Foundation and the kids. And we love you guys for that so much. So everybody keep doing that. All right. Need to have a little talk, folks. All right. And we need to make a little announcement about what is proper boom behavior. And specifically, we mean boomerang behavior. Okay. And we know none of you guys are doing this, but we need to talk about it anyway. And everybody in the family is not on flight school right now. Only the leaders get on flight school. So you guys are the leaders. So we need you to pass this message through your group. Okay. We have discovered that some people are creating customers for people without their permission, right? They're using online marketing tools and ClickFunnels and stuff like that. And they're signing people up with iGo accounts and stuff that don't even know that they're getting signed up. And occasionally they contact us and say, hey, I just got this thing that said, here's your account and here's your username and password. And I didn't sign up for this. Folks, that's a no-no. That's not the iBoomerang way. That's not how we operate. That's not integrity. That's not transparency, right? So ambassadors are not allowed to create customer accounts for anybody without their express permission. As a matter of fact, the best way to do that would be let everybody sign themselves up. Even if you have people at your house and you send them a boomerang while they're sitting right next to you, then pass them your computer and say, and go to igoboom.com and say, hey, put that code in here and get yourself set up while we're sitting here together. That way they did it themselves. The majority of the time, everybody should always do it themselves. Don't do it for someone else. That way it's their account. They know about it. Right, Tanya, I see it. Tanya says, who does that? It's just plain wrong. I know, but we're going to give the folks who've done it the benefit of the doubt and say they were overly enthusiastic. Okay. But the reality is it's wrong. Okay. And anybody who does it will be subject to immediate termination. Why? Because we have to protect the company and we have to protect the rest of the people. Because when people do things like that, we have to show that we took action. All right. So it's not that we're doing it to be mean. It's just we got to protect it for everybody else. We have to protect the opportunity for all of you who are doing it the right way. So if you are using online marketing tools, that's cool, no problem. Just make sure that at the end of the road, the customer is creating their own account and they know that they are creating an account. All right. Love you guys. Let's keep it good. We have such a great thing going here and it's getting so much better. If you guys could be in the office with us this week and just see the buzz. Everybody's moving so fast and so many projects. And I mean, our whiteboards and stuff are full and we got just our to-do list are crazy. Why? Because we're in like several countdowns at the same time. We're in a 2-week countdown. We're in a 3.5-week countdown. We got new stuff coming for you. This is the best time to be a part of iBoomerang. So let's make sure that we don't mess it up for each other and protect it by exercising good boom behavior. And if you agree with me, put boom behavior in the chat. Let's see that in the chat, boom behavior. And we'll go to the next slide.
Sweet. Hey, so these have been a hit. These product trainings have been a hit. And we did some staycations for the US last week. So now what we're going to be doing is we're moving over to France and we're going to do staycations in France. So
Nice.
Abdi, we are taking care of your team. So this Wednesday, 2:00 p.m., go ahead and get on those staycations in France and check them out because these staycations are awesome.
Now, I only have one problem with this, Mark. You didn't say it right. You got to say France.
France. All right.
France. Okay, awesome. This is going to be cool. Oh, you're waiting on me. I'm like, why won't you advance the slide? Okay.
And if you missed any of these cool product trainings, you can get them on iboomhub.com. I knew you were stopping. I could see you were stopping.
I was getting ready to say it.
Yep. And those are available there, and you can check them all out on iboomhub.com.
Awesome.
All right. Good deal.
Bro,
Hey.
this is like one of the coolest things to come out of marketing, this iBoom University.
Yeah, it is. It's super cool. And it was the brainchild of Kitsia Garcia and her team and Melissa Jones as well. She was taking care of all of the legal stuff, you know, and you guys, it's incredible how many people have taken this class and but still there's more that need to take it.
Mhm.
We're seeing some things and there's more people that need to take this class. So, and Melissa Jones can attest to that. She's our advocacy lead over there. And she's got a nice team of folks with her and they're grabbing stuff. They're seeing some things, but go ahead and take this class at iboomuniversity.com, iboomuniversity.com. And you can find out what is right, what is wrong, what you can do, what you can't do when you post on social. So go ahead and check it out. We have almost 500 ambassadors who have taken the class.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Hats off and congratulations to everybody who has done that. That is so cool. Hey, you know what? We love leaderboards. Maybe we can start put that up somewhere.
Yeah.
Some recognition for the people who've completed iBoom U.
All right.
Yeah, who knows? All right. When we get these little dead spots, it's because I'm waiting for Mark to advance the slides and I'm supposed to be advancing the slides, but I don't usually advance the slides because anyway. So this is going to be like super exciting. This was a blast. Do we know how many people were on Self-Care Sunday Part 1?
No.
I mean, I jumped on there and it was packed. It was absolutely packed. And you know what? If there was anybody in our company, frankly, if there's anybody in our universe who really can help people take care of themselves the right way, both men and women, it is none other than the queen of our business, Earlene Buggs. Because you know what? There's so many parts of it. When people think about being successful in iBoomerang, they think about building a team. They think about getting customers. They think about becoming a star achiever with 300 PQV and all of that, right? But a very key component at the base of it all, you have to take care of yourself, physically, spiritually, mentally. And that's what Earlene Buggs is talking about on Clubhouse on Sundays. So guess what? Part 2 is this Sunday, iboomclubhouse.com, 4 p.m. Central with our co-founder, none other than Earlene Buggs, and it is going to be powerful. And she's got some great people, leaders in our business and friends of hers from other businesses potentially that are going to be giving great advice. So we encourage everyone, not just the ladies, absolutely everyone, to be a part of that clubhouse this weekend.
Oh, hey, also, you know who's going to be against this Sunday?
Who's that?
Mr. Holton Bugs.
What?
Yeah, he's gonna come on there. He's gonna be
Absolutely.
on Self Care Sunday with
Yep.
Ladybugs.
That is wonderful. And you know what? You know, he is also a great example of somebody who he has a holistic approach to business. And, you know, we get to work closely with him. We see how he operates. He's a beast. He's like 24/7 on the go, but he takes time to take care of himself. And I'm sure he'll talk about some of those things on Sunday as well. So
Yeah,
this is one not to miss, everybody.
all right. You know what? I had a video to show here, but I can't show it. It's the
Oh
new
man, do I have the video?
No, I don't think so, unless you downloaded it. It's the new video about the trainers, the educators.
No, I don't
Yeah,
have it.
so I can't show it.
If you shoot me a link, we can show it. We can show it in a few minutes. If you drop me the
It's
link,
on social.
it's on. Yeah, if
Yeah.
somebody shoots me the link, I'll download it real quick and I'll just play it from here. But in any event, Elevate coming soon. We're in the hardcore Elevate countdown. We had Ben Wright of Elevate in the office several days this week as we work to get everything ready so that everyone can elevate. We've got our project team, our secret team that is enjoying this, and they're going to have some great stories to tell you guys very, very soon.
Yeah, have you guys been seeing the testimonies from Project 10? Yeah, those testimonies are coming out pretty much every day at this point in time. We have so many testimonies, and some are in Spanish. We have women, we have men, we have old, we have young, we have everybody in between. People are digging Project 10.
Yes. Yeah. So who are some of the old ones? You said we have old.
You.
That's so cruel. Oh, the pain, the horror. We're gonna keep going. All right. So the Zents FAQ page has been updated on iBoom Hub. Folks, remember to go to iBoom Hub to get your questions answered. Self-serve on questions because the customer service team, specifically customer service leadership, has been aggressively updating the FAQs. And people who have been going there first have been shocked and amazed at the level of detail and answers that they can get without having to wait for someone to get back to them. Even though customer service is doing a fantastic job of getting back to people quickly, you can get your answer immediately, very often right there on the FAQs. So how do you get there? Where are they at, Mark?
iBoomHub.com.
Yes, absolutely. Just click the support tab and then click FAQ.
You're not gonna get me, bro.
I know, right? I can't get you. I can't get you with your own thing, right?
Yeah.
What else is on iBoom Hub?
Yeah, Star Achiever Zoom backgrounds or what's on iBoomHub.com. Where's it at? iBoomHub.com/downloads. That's under resources. So go up to the navigation at the top, click resources, then go down to downloads, and you've got Zoom Star Achiever backgrounds, Superstar and Star Achiever. Sweet.
Hey, folks out there
know,
listening, who should use these backgrounds?
Yeah, no. You know who used it?
Who?
Stephanie Polomeyer on Top Gun Spotlight last Tuesday.
Yeah.
Superstar Achiever and has been 2 months in a row.
Man, that's so
Bro.
phenomenal.
Boom.
Awesome. Boom. Speaking of superstar achievers, check out this list, right? And you guys see there's a new column.
Yeah.
It shows you how strong of a superstar achiever our superstar achievers are, right? Because leading the pack, we have diamonds leading the pack, Sam and Kim Bean. And not only are they superstar achievers, now a superstar achiever means that you are a superstar, a star achiever, right? You've got 300 PQV yourself. And you have 5 people that you've personally enrolled who also have 300 PQV for the month. And that makes you a superstar achiever. You're a star achiever. You got 5 star achievers that you personally enrolled. Sam and Kim Bean have 10. All right. Jackie and Jayla Pippins, diamonds, have 8. Congratulations. Andrea Hodge has 5. Andre Paul Ruby has 5. Stephanie Palomir has 9. Way to go, Stephanie. David Bonick has 7 in Canada. Way to go. We need more Canadian flags in the top right here. And Andrew Cope from the UK, Andrew Cope and Nikki Lindsay have 5. And we need more Great Britain flags on here as well. So represent yourself, represent your team, represent your country by becoming a superstar achiever. And the list goes on.
Yes, Dr. Marlon Baylor out of the US, 8. Paula Pavic from Chile, 7. Tosha Howard, 6. Shirley Xavier, 6. Laura Johnson, 6. Kelly Haupu, 5. A Sharper Business, 7. And Hannah Volkova, 5. Look at this. Czech Public representing on this list.
Dude, we have not come out with a contest or promotion that Hannah can't win. She wins them all. She just, whatever it is, she just keeps showing up. Hannah, you are a champion. I know you're out there listening someplace. We love you. Keep it up. Keep rocking.
And if you want to check out the list, go to iboomhub.com, Star Achievers, and that's under promotions at the top. And if you don't know how to become a Star Achiever, there's the promotions tab, the promotions navigation. There's a drop down. You have the Star Achievers list, and then you have Be a Star Achiever. And you can click that and you can figure out and find out how to become a Star Achiever. And Mr. Bugs from the Go Diamond training in Cancun lays it all out, lays the whole plan out for you. So
that's right. And now listen, folks, you guys, there's a lot of excitement and energy already around Star Achiever and Superstar Achiever, but something big is coming for Star Achiever and Superstar Achiever. We're going to have some big announcements really soon. So if you've been sitting back watching this saying, I'm not sure if I'm going to get on this Star Achiever, Superstar Achiever train, now is the time to get on the bandwagon because we've got some big stuff coming.
All right. So if you want to be featured on iBoom Hub, and here's where you're going to be featured. You're going to be featured on the blog, and we've got a new post up. Gosh, who is it this time? I can't remember, but I know we have featured Ellen Smith, Diamond Ambassador. We have featured other folks that are superstar achievers on iBoom Hub. Go to the blog section. And if you want to be featured on iBoom Hub, go ahead and give us your Star Achiever story. Send it to marketing@iboomerang.com, marketing@iboomerang.com, and we will get you up on there.
Awesome, awesome. All right, let's let you know what's happening in the world of Zeds. Some of you have noticed that we made a little change in the shop. That's right, we took down the backlog logos, the backlog notices on the picture. That's right, because we are calling it done. We're calling it done. We're out of the backlog. We have enough, and we have enough product to fulfill everyone's orders in a timely fashion. We have our system is improved internally to where we are getting it done in a timely fashion. Now, this week we were looking to get completed all the way up to all orders through March 2nd. And it was an aggressive goal. And we got 83% of the way there. We shipped out this week. Hold on a second. Let me put my calculator back up. We shipped out this week. Oh, man. I was trying to save the number on my screen here. Over 5,500 orders this week. The remaining couple of thousand orders are going to go out on Monday, and that will bring us current through March 2nd. And from this point forward, people should be receiving their orders in less and less and less time. We're about, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks away from a point where if you order in the United States or anywhere around the world, you would receive your order in 3 to not more than 10 days, depending on what country that you live in.
Hey, listen to this. Listen to this. Monica Demekes got their order in Hungary in 4 days.
Look at that. See, So folks, we're all over it. We're all over it. And some of that is because we're consolidating orders. We're trying to be smart. We could put your old order with your new order as much as we possibly can. But we are working like crazy. I want to say hats off to Tunde Brinson. He sent me this update last night at, let me look at this other. Let's see, what time did Tunde send me this here? Because I messaged him and then I shut my phone off. But he messaged me at midnight. And the message starts out, we're still here. He said, we are still here. And that's because the team is burning it on all the ends, on the candle on all ends to get the Zents out. So if you're waiting for your Zents, it is coming. Now, I want to let you guys know something. You're going to get some communication from us. We tried to complete this yesterday. We did not get it completed. But there are quite a few people whose addresses are either incomplete or incorrect. I don't know how that happens. It's not, we won't say it's anybody's fault, but in order to get you your Zents, we've got to correct that. So I'm going to give you a heads up. Please keep your eyes open. If you haven't received your Zents, keep your eyes open for either a text message or an email from iBoomerang asking you to go to an online form and give us your correct and current address. Okay. Now, I want everybody to listen closely to this. And there's a video on the form. We created the form yesterday. There's a video and there are instructions, but I want to make sure that we are super clear in our communication. We're going to send you a communication for each order that you have that the address is not complete or showing up in our system. Our system gives us a warning. It gives us a orange triangle or a red stop sign whenever an address is like, it's like this address, you might send this product out, it might come back to you because it's not complete. And and you guys are like, okay, well, what's an incomplete address? Believe it or not, we've had somebody put in there, they sent us their order and their address was Macon in Macon, Georgia. No street, no building, no apartment number, no zip code, no nothing, right? And so we're like, we have to, how do we send this order? And in our new system, that won't be able to happen because our new system is checking addresses as you go, right? But of course, this was done on our current system. So we're going to send you this communication. Now, if we send you, we're going to send you a communication for each order. You need to fill out the form for each order, okay? I know it might be a little bit of a pain, but we just want to make sure we get you your Zents. That's all we want to do. We want you to get your Zents. So keep an eye out for that. Let your teams know. And that's going to go out on Monday so that we can get those done. All right. Now, somebody said here, the UPS store does that sometimes too. Exactly. Because we have to double check the addresses. All right, cool.
Hey, Bill Jr.
Wow.
He's still rocking and rolling, man. He's got a team of people and you know what? Here's the other thing too. This is so cool. So there's something called autopilot, okay? And they actually renegotiate your bill when the time is up. I've had 2 of my bills renegotiated, 2. So this is super cool, man. And you just don't have to do anything. They just automatically do it. So over $657,000 saved to date. We're closing in on that $750,000 and then soon to be that 1 million mark. So guys, keep uploading your bills, keep getting new people too. So it also counts towards your PQV. So
yes,
keep doing it.
Yes. And you know what? I wanted to give a PQV update this week and we got kind of slammed and didn't do it. We did that last week and everybody was just flabbergasted at the PQV you can get from your own usage of the iBoomerang products and your customers' usage. And the one thing that we didn't do in that update is we didn't show the PQV that ambassadors can get from their own iGo travel, right? And the numbers are smaller because you only get the PQV on the part of the discount that you don't get, right? And remember, ambassadors get 90% of the discount. So just think about what you get when you travel. You get 90% of the discount. You can save money. You get reward credits and you get some PQV. And that list that I was going to show had people getting an extra 50, 60, 30, 40 PQV toward being a star achiever from taking a trip. So it's super cool. We want to encourage you guys, use the products, use our services. Mr. Bugs is probably the leader in iGo savings, iGo personal savings. And I just want to encourage you guys, use it. So I said, you get PQV and Bill Genius if you paid in full. Yeah, you do. Just get it all at once instead of a little bit each month. So yeah, absolutely. Keep rocking.
Right on. Hey, you said flabbergasted, bro.
Flabbergasted. I did.
That's a good word right there.
Yeah.
All right, let's move forward. Okay, there you go. Hey, have a testimonial you want to share? Give it to us. Let us put it up everywhere, whether it's iGo, Vibe Rides, Bill Genius, or Zents, and soon to be a couple more. So go ahead and send it to us at marketing@iboomerang.com. Marketing@iboomerang.com. Oh,
awesome. Hey, we just got another update about the Czech team, the team in the Czech Republic. Andre and Mikhail Spedkow have arranged, they're doing everything in Czech now, right? So they're doing flight school, they're doing the product calls, and every Thursday at 2 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Central European time, they're doing opportunity briefings in Czech on the iBoomerang platform. So, hey guys, all I can tell you is your city, your state, your country, take responsibility, be the leader, really develop that, and just make sure that everything is provided for that team, and you'll see that team grow and make, lots of success.
All right, cool.
All right.
Okay, so Anna Yurchev says from April.
Starting in April, correct.
Thank you. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, our current promo is Maximize in March. Let's roll through these, man.
There you go. Start, first of all, become a star achiever and a superstar achiever in the month of March. What is that? 300 PQV and 5 personal people that you sponsored that also have 300 PQV.
All right.
We got the second birthday special.
Our birthday was on March 11th, the birthday for iBoomerang and the Boom Foundation. That's formed at the same time. So our second birthday. So we have a gift for you, and you guys have been opening up this gift. First class pack at $750 instead of $1,000. The QV remains at $1,000. The CV is $450, and you can do it with upgrades too, but only to a first class pack. So standard, standby to first, coach to first, or business to first. And that's awesome, man. You guys are taking advantage of this.
And on top of that, we've got rank advancement rewards. Go director for the first time, get an extra $200. Senior director, $400. Executive director, $600. Sapphire, $1,000. Ruby, $2,000. Emerald, $3,000. Diamond, $5,000. Blue diamond, $10,000. And black diamonds get a luxury timepiece.
Welcome back. People are doing this too. Hey, I've seen a few people come back, and I've seen a couple of emails to support as well saying, hey, how do I get reactivated? So ambassadors who've gone inactive for a few months, a few weeks, or a few months or a few weeks. So you can come back and only pay the March subscription. So typically what happens is we take the months that you've missed and we stack those all together, and you have to pay those. But at this point in time, you can come back just by paying the March subscription.
And you know what else happens, Mark? If you've been out for 6 months or longer, you have to sign up all over again. And believe it or not, folks, we are approaching the point where the welcome back door will be closed. And if anybody's been out, they'll have to do what Mark said or sign up again, depending on how long they've been out. So we encourage folks to take advantage of this window of opportunity to rejoin the iBoomerang family.
Hey.
Mazatlan.
Okay, no, hold on. You got to say it right. Mazatlan.
Mazatlan.
Yeah. Cynthia corrects me all the time. So It is the 19th, right after Sapphire Splash, which is on the 15th, 16th, and 17th. So April 19th, April 18th and 19th, you need to be in Mazatlan, or you need to be on the virtual. So virtual ticket, $79. You missed the early bird special. Don't miss those specials, guys.
Yes.
Oh, take advantage of that. The ticket was
Yeah.
$49. We raised it up to $79. Regular price is $99. We're going to change it up to $99. We're going to do this soon. So live ticket was $149. Now it's $179. Regular price $299. And dude, do we have an incredible event planned? We were talking about it yesterday, T. Greg.
Mhm.
It is going to be off the charts.
It
You know what
really is.
iBoomerang events are like. And you know what Lady Bugs does when she gets a hold of an event. She is incredible, and it's going to be top notch. There's going to be a celebration party as well. So can't miss this with the live ticket. But if you can't get there, and there's only, gosh, I think there's only 168 live tickets left. So once those tickets are
161.
once those tickets are sold out, they're gone. And then all you'll be able to do is get the virtual ticket. Where do they get their tickets, T. Greg?
Your back office. You tried to get me. You get them in your back office, everybody. And listen, Accelerate is going to be incredible. Just the buzz in the office. This is one of the things that's got people scrambling. And iBoomerang, we just evolve. We were doing killer live events. Pandemic made us start doing killer virtual events. And now we're doing a live and virtual event, a hybrid at the same time. It's going to be amazing.
Wow.
Oh, 168.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I sent an update last night. It was 161
Oh, okay.
after the
Okay.
slides were made. I apologize.
that.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yep. There we go. All right. Could you take it? All right. You were talking about Dre Paul earlier.
Dre Paul, Andre Paul, Mr. Paul is going to be on with me on Top Gun Spotlight on Tuesday at 4:00. Cannot wait. He is a Ruby ambassador and he's a superstar achiever if you saw the list. So Mr. Paul is going to be on with me. Do not miss it. It's going to be cool. He's going to talk about a lot of things. So how he became a superstar achiever, how he encouraged his team to become star achievers. So do not miss it.
All right. It's that time.
Hey,
It is that time for Mr. Abdraman Coma. First diamond in France. Do we make him a okay? No.
You're the host.
There we go.
All right.
All right,
Mr. Kumar,
Abdi.
I
Come on
remember
and join us on the screen.
you need to stop sharing.
I will stop sharing.
There you go.
Awesome.
Good morning, iBoomerang. Good afternoon, iBoomerang world. And thank you, Mark and Terence. I will do a little effort. Thank you for your great and amazing daily job for me. You are the best VP because you give your heart for all people's success. And it's very, 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 very good. Today, I will use my translator who is next to me. It's Nabintu. But I promise you that at my next flight school, I will do in English. I will get out of my comfort zone. I promise you.
I'm going to say this, Abdi. This right here, that English is very good. You are really making huge improvements, and your English is about 1,000 times better than our French put
Oh
together.
my gosh. Yes, it is. 100%.
Thank you so much. All right, I'm ready. Let's talk about Star Achiever, and I will use my translator. J'espère en tout cas que tout iBoomerang va bien aujourd'hui.
I hope that all iBoomerang is feeling good today.
Voilà, aujourd'hui est un jour très, très important
Today is an important day
pour moi. Pourquoi? Car c'est mon premier flight school.
for me because it's my first flight school.
Et il est évident que pour ce premier flight school, je donnerai le meilleur de moi-même.
It is obvious that for this first flight school, I will give my best.
Ce que je vais vous demander de faire,
What I will ask you to do
dans un premier temps, c'est de remercier infiniment Mark Kitcart et Terence Gray pour le magnifique travail qu'ils font au quotidien.
I will ask you to say thank you to Mark Kitcart and Terence Gray for the excellent job they are doing daily.
Les efforts qu'ils mettent au quotidien,
The effort they are doing daily,
l'énergie qu'ils mettent au quotidien,
the energy they are transmitting daily.
en fait, peu de personnes, selon moi, peuvent faire ce type de travail.
In fact, for me, few people can do this type of work.
Pour ça, on doit vraiment les remercier et être en totale gratitude.
For this, we need really to say them thank you and to be in gratitude with them.
Mes gratitudes vont également envers Monsieur Bugs et sa femme Erlen qui font un travail juste extraordinaire sans qui personne ne serait là aujourd'hui.
My gratitude are also going to Erlen Bergs and Alton Bergs because without them, we can't be here today.
Ma gratitude va également vers Monsieur Edwin Haynes qui est notre coach Global Master Ambassadeur qui nous surpasse constamment au quotidien.
My gratitude is also going to Edwin Hayes, our coach, Global Master Ambassador, who is helping us daily.
Et ma gratitude va également envers tous nos top leaders diamants, Monsieur Johnny Wimbrey, Monsieur César Munoz, Martha Hermias et tous les diamants et plus.
And also my gratitude are going to our top leader, Martha Hermas,
Johnny Wimbrey,
Johnny Wimbrey,
César Munoz,
Cesar Munoz, and all the diamonds who are doing an excellent work.
ils nous inspirent au quotidien
They are inspiring us daily.
et ils véhiculent constamment depuis le début l'image, les valeurs d'iBoomerang.
They are daily representing the values and the image of iBoomerang.
Ils m'inspirent quotidiennement.
They are inspiring me daily.
Je ne sais pas si vous avez vu le dernier Flight School avec Daniel Camero. J'ai juste été inspiré.
I don't know if you have seen the last flight school with Daniel Camera. I was just inspired.
Sam Bean juste avant également avec sa femme où j'ai été très inspiré.
Sam Bean just before with his wife, I was also inspired.
César Munoz, Avinash, tous les diamants, Jala, Jackie.
Cesar Munoz, Avinash, Jala, Jackie, and all the diamonds.
Et tous les diamants, bien évidemment, font un travail aujourd'hui au quotidien qui est juste extraordinaire.
All the diamonds are today doing daily work, which is just magnified.
Et je vous remercie car sans vous aujourd'hui, nous ne ferions pas toutes ces choses-là et c'est vous les plus importants.
I'm saying thank you to all of you because without you, we won't be able to do all this work today, and you are important for us.
C'est la raison pour laquelle je vous demande de partager massivement ce Flight School à un grand nombre de personnes.
That's why I'm asking you to share this flight school and this Zoom to most of people around you.
Ce Flight School et tous les Flight Schools du samedi doivent être vus partout dans le monde.
This flight school and all the Saturday flight school needs to be seen all around the world.
Car chaque Flight School nous fait passer à un niveau supérieur.
Each flight school maker to go to the next level.
Vous devez avoir cet engagement ferme.
You need to have this commitment shared strongly.
Et aujourd'hui, nous allons entamer un sujet qui est vraiment la culture d'iBoomerang.
Today, we will go through a subject which is iBoomerang culture.
Et avant ça, j'aimerais aussi remercier tous nos traducteurs, car je sais que ce n'est pas évident. Là, il y a une traduction en anglais qui est en train de se refaire. Et j'aimerais remercier tous nos traducteurs pour le gros travail qu'ils font au quotidien.
Before that, I need to say thank you to all our translators because this is being translated, but also is being translated in French. So it is not as easy as it is, but I really want to say thank you to all our translators.
Vous faites un travail magnifique et grâce à vous, iBoomerang se diffuse en plusieurs langues différentes. On vient d'avoir la République tchèque en termes de langue, c'est juste magnifique.
You are doing a great job, a huge work, and thanks to you, we are iBoomerang all around the world, and we just have the news that iBoomerang is being translated on Czech Republic, and this is just great and amazing.
Et c'est juste magnifique. Et merci également à notre traductrice française, Anne-Laure, qui fait également un magnifique travail.
It is just amazing, and we need to say thank you to our French translator, Anne-Laure Simonet, who is doing a huge work.
Et je n'oublie pas tous les traducteurs italiens, anglais, espagnols. Je ne les oublie pas. Et République tchèque.
I'm not forgetting the Spanish, the English, and all other translators all around the world. I really want to say them thank you.
Et sans trop tarder, nous allons tout simplement commencer cette formation. Êtes-vous prêts? Mettez un maximum d'étoiles pour également aider nos enfants nécessiteux dans le monde.
So I want to say that we will begin this training. Are you ready for this strong training? And put a maximum of stars to help all our children that are needed in the world.
Car aujourd'hui, nous sommes dans une société où il y a l'action associée à la contribution.
Because today we are in a society, in a company that action is related to contribution.
Et il est important de contribuer, donc mettez un maximum d'étoiles sur le Facebook, un maximum d'étoiles.
It is important to contribute to that. So put a maximum of stars on the Zoom, on the Flight School, on the Facebook, or where you can.
Et le Star Achiever, vous l'avez compris à travers la magnifique intervention de Marc et Terence et aujourd'hui, la nouvelle culture que nous lançons massivement.
You have understood through Market Card and Terence Great intervention just before that the Star Achiever is the really new culture that we are launching in iBoomerang.
Et c'est quelque chose qu'on doit constamment, sur lequel on doit porter un grand focus constamment.
It is something that you really need to put a strong focus daily on that.
Et la première chose dont je vais parler aujourd'hui, c'est surtout la culture que nous devons avoir au quotidien.
The first thing that I will talk about today is the culture that we need to have every day.
Car si vous ne prenez pas conscience aujourd'hui et que vous ne véhiculez pas la culture de la société,
If you don't take that in account and if you don't transmit the culture of the company,
bah malheureusement, nous n'avons pas cette identité qui doit être véhiculée.
unfortunately, we won't have the identity that we need to vehiculate, to transmit all around the world.
Et la culture que nous avons est la culture LUE.
And the culture that we have is the LUE.
Nous devons tous être ensemble comme les doigts de la main que nous serrons.
We need to be together like the fingers in our hand that we have with us.
Car c'est en étant ensemble et en véhiculant ça au quotidien
It is being together and vehiculate, transmitting this daily
que nous impacterons positivement la vie d'un maximum de personnes avec iBoomerang.
that we will impact positively a maximum of people's lives.
La culture, c'est aujourd'hui représenter les valeurs d'iBoomerang, être constamment en boom gear, par exemple.
The culture today for me is to represent iBoomerang values every day, everywhere we are. And
Et il faut représenter, en gros, faut représenter l'image de la société.
we need to represent the company image and identity.
Et pour moi, aujourd'hui, avoir un boom gear, aujourd'hui, fait partie de la culture de la société.
And for me to have a boom gear today is among the culture of the society.
Je vous donne un exemple. Je vous donne un exemple. Aujourd'hui, est-ce que vous vous voyez aller dans un McDonald's et être servi par une personne qui a un polo Lacoste?
I'm
Nice.
giving you an example. Are you seeing yourself to go to a McDonald's today and seeing the people that will give you the food putting a polo with Lacoste or Nike brand?
Vous ne prendrez pas le menu,
You will not take that food
car vous avez l'habitude de prendre une personne qui a l'image aujourd'hui de McDonald's pour qui vous donne votre menu.
because you used to see someone else who have the McDonald's identity giving you your food.
Moi, c'est la raison pour laquelle à chaque fois que j'expose mon business pour aller chercher mon Star Achiever, j'ai l'image de la société avant tout.
It's because that's why me, when I am presenting the business to anybody, I have the identity of iBoomerang. I wear something which is representing the company.
Car les personnes vont vous juger par votre apparence, ensuite vos compétences.
Because people will judge you first with your appearance and then your competencies.
Et selon moi, avant tout, avant de faire n'importe quelle action, nous devons déjà avoir une attitude de professionnel.
For me, before doing any action, we need to have a professional behavior.
Posez-vous la question, êtes-vous suffisamment professionnel?
You need to wonder yourself, are you enough professional?
Est-ce que si vous vous voyez dans une glace, est-ce que vous avez envie de vous suivre vous-même?
When you are seeing yourself in your mirror, are you willing to go to follow yourself?
Chaque jour, lorsque j'expose mon business, je me dis, je dois me convaincre moi-même en premier.
Every day when I'm doing my business, I need to convince myself first.
Donc, faites en sorte de représenter l'image avant tout.
So the advice I will give you represent the image of the company first.
Et ensuite vient après l'état d'esprit à avoir pour tout simplement réussir.
Then we have the mindset to succeed.
agissez comme des professionnels.
You need to behave like professionals.
Prenez vos responsabilités.
You need to take your responsibilities.
Faites les actions suffisamment longtemps jusqu'à avoir des résultats.
You need to do action as enough as it is to have results.
N'accusez personne lorsque ça ne marche pas.
You don't need to accuse people or someone else when it is not working.
Car aujourd'hui, vos résultats dépendent de vous-même. Lorsque vous réussissez, c'est grâce à vous. Mais lorsque vous ne réussissez pas, c'est aussi grâce à vous.
Because today your results depend on yourself. When you succeed, it is yourself. When you fail, it is yourself.
Et ça, souvent, la plupart des personnes ne le comprennent pas. Un professionnel prend ses responsabilités et travaille sur lui-même pour réussir.
But unfortunately, few people understand these things, that a professional is working on himself to get some results.
Posez-vous la question, est-ce qu'aujourd'hui, vous estimez être tout simplement suffisamment professionnel?
Ask yourself today, are you enough professional?
Moi, constamment, je véhicule le professionnel. J'ai besoin de rassurer aujourd'hui partout autour de moi, car un réel leader, c'est quelqu'un qui sait être professionnel.
Me, around me every day, I'm feeling convinced. I'm transmitting this value that is being professional, and I'm transmitting the value that everybody which wants to have results needs to be professional and stay professional.
Et ma question également, c'est aujourd'hui, quelles sont vos croyances? Croyez-vous réellement que vous allez réussir à faire ce diamant?
And my question today is, what are your beliefs? Are you believing today strongly that you will do this diamond?
Vous avez tous votre place sur cette scène aujourd'hui de diamant.
You all have your place in this stage as a diamond.
Mais tout va être une question de décision et de responsabilité.
But all is a question of decision and responsibilities.
Nous avons la chance d'avoir aujourd'hui un PDG qui nous a mis un système en place avec Monsieur Hens et toute l'équipe pour nous faire réussir.
We have today the luck that we have a CEO named Alton Bugs that put in place a very strong system to have results with all his team, which are Edwin Hens and all the corporate team.
Ils ont aujourd'hui conçu le Star Achiever, qui est la manière la plus simple pour tout le monde d'aller chercher le diamant.
They have built the Star Achiever system, which is the more easier system to go seeing your diamond.
Moi, avant de faire ma position de diamant, et je me rappelle, Monsieur Bugs m'avait fait un plan que j'ai suivi en 6 mois, je l'ai fait.
Before doing my diamond, I am remembering now that Alton Bugs did me a plan that I have followed step by step, and I make the diamond.
Il l'a également exposé à d'autres qui n'ont pas réussi à le faire.
He also did this plan to other people, but they didn't do the diamond.
La responsabilité vient vraiment à nous-mêmes, car j'ai moi appliqué un plan et j'ai réussi. Si certains veulent seulement modifier le plan et faire à leur façon, c'est normal qu'ils ne réussissent pas.
The responsibilities need to go back to us. Why? Because I just followed the plan and I did the diamond. If other people are modifying this plan and doing as they want to do, it is normal that they don't get the same results.
La roue marche déjà. Ce monsieur a plus de 30 années d'expérience dans l'industrie. Je ne sais pas si vous vous rendez compte.
Things are already working because Alton Bugs have more than 30 years of experience in this industry.
Il a déjà un coup d'avance que nous n'avons pas.
He is already one step in advance comparing to us.
Donc, continuons à travailler dur et suivons le plan.
So we need to work hard and follow the plan that he gave us.
Et ce plan aujourd'hui, c'est de devenir Star Achiever.
And this plan today is simply to become a Star Achiever.
300 PQV par mois, c'est quoi, les amis?
300 PQV per month. What is that?
Et aujourd'hui, vous devez prendre conscience que ce que vous faites, c'est pour votre business, c'est votre affaire.
You need to take in account that what you are doing today is for your business, for your action, for your business.
Et moi, la première des questions que je me pose lorsque je vois ça, je me dis, est-ce que moi-même, je suis qualifié Star Achiever?
The first question that I wonder to myself when I see that is, I am myself Star Achiever?
Et lorsque je dis Star Achiever, chacun d'entre vous, au moment même de ce Zoom, vous devez déjà être qualifié Star Achiever.
When I'm talking about Star Achiever, at the time that I'm doing this Zoom, is all of you needs to be a Star Achiever, qualified Star Achiever.
Moi, je vais vraiment vous partager l'importance et la stratégie qui va au bout du fil pour tout simplement aller chercher ce diamant, car votre diamant part de ça.
I really want to share you the strategy and the step you need to follow to go to take your diamond, because the strategy is beginning from the Star Achiever.
Et ces 300 PQV, moi, je veux que nous lançons le plus grand mouvement où on s'assure que chacune des personnes soit à 300 PQV.
So through the 300 PQV, I need you to launch the more and the strong movement that you can, as everybody can achieve this 300 PQV.
Et ceux qui sont déjà à 300, qui sont déjà qualifiés Star Achiever, exprimez-vous, mettez-le en commentaire que nous sachions qui sont ceux qui sont qualifiés, ceux qui ne le sont pas. Prenez exemple sur eux.
And the people who are already Star Achiever, please express yourself in the chat, see yourself in the chat, write it down in the chat that we can know that who are the people who are Star Achiever already qualified.
Je dois voir des 300 de partout.
I need to see 300 everywhere in the chat.
Nous devons être l'équipe 300.
We need to be the 300 team.
Et aller chercher ces 300. Mais pour quelle raison aller chercher ces 300?
You need to go to seek this 300, but why?
Déjà personnellement pour vous avant tout.
Because for your personal objectives.
Vous pouvez le faire en le faisant personnellement avec votre souscription, vos clients et les économies.
You need to do for 3 ways: the personal purchases, your subscription, and the customer purchases and savings.
Et c'est de là que votre business se crée.
And it is from these steps that your business will be created.
Il faut des petites pierres pour créer les montagnes.
We need a few steps to get very big mountains.
Il faut des grains de sable pour créer des plages.
We need.
Il faut des grains de sable pour créer des plages. Ouais,
you need like a bit of sand to get some beaches, wet beaches.
Donc les petites choses font les grandes choses, les petits pas font les grands pas.
Small foot will do big foots.
Pour ceux qui ne sont pas encore à 300 PQV et ne se sont pas orientés vers ça, faites-le immédiatement.
For the people who are not yet qualified and are not yet focused on that, you need to do it immediately.
Car les personnes font ce que vous faites et non pas ce que vous dites.
Because people are doing what you are doing and not what you are saying.
Et clairement, voyez-vous, faites en sorte d'être cohérent avec ce que vous enseignez aux autres.
And you need to be logical with what you are training to other people.
Ne soyez pas des managers, soyez des réels leaders.
You don't need to be manager, but real leaders.
Car le leader montre par l'exemple. C'est lui qui est au premier, c'est lui qui montre l'exemple dès le départ.
Because the leader lead by example and show the example at the first time.
Et maintenant, on a la chance d'avoir aujourd'hui un produit extraordinaire qui est le PRIB.
We have an extraordinary product today, which is the PRIB.
Hier encore, j'ai vu des personnes de mon organisation mettre une photo en mettant que Bill Gates, que Jeff Bezos avait créé Amazon, que Steve Jobs avait créé Apple avec Siri, et nous avons Alton Bucks qui a créé le PRIB.
Yesterday, again, I see some people from my organization putting pictures that Jeff Bezos have created Amazon, that Steve Jobs have created Apple, and Alton Bucks just created the PRIB.
Le PRIB, c'est extraordinaire.
The PRIB is just amazing.
Aujourd'hui, la plupart des personnes n'ont pas encore compris ces magnifiques services que nous avons. S'arrête encore au voyage, mais iBoomerang va bien au-delà.
Today, most of people have not understood the PRIB. Why? Because they are just talking in IGO, but they have not understood that we have most services that Alton Bucks created.
Et aujourd'hui, les services que nous avons, c'est comme l'histoire, autant pour moi, d'Amazon qui a commencé. Tout le monde pensait que c'était seulement des livres.
And today we are really writing an history, because, for example, with Amazon, people was just thinking that it was a library.
Et aujourd'hui, est-ce qu'on peut définir Amazon d'une librairie?
But today, can we define Amazon as a library?
Amazon est aujourd'hui devenu énorme et iBoomerang est en train de suivre ces mêmes traces, et c'est ce que vous construisez à travers le Star Achiever.
Amazon became today a huge industry, and iBoomerang is really following the same steps like Amazon, and this is what you are building today with iBoomerang.
Maintenant, qui veut aujourd'hui créer son propre Amazon?
Today, the question is, who wants to build his own Amazon?
Moi, je veux le créer. C'est pour ça que je suis constamment à la recherche de nouveaux clients de chacun de nos services.
Myself wants to build my own Amazon. This is why I am daily seeking about new customers with all these services.
Certains vont chercher l'excuse de se dire « Ouais, mais le problème, c'est que nous avons un ou deux services seulement dans notre pays et que les Américains ont plus de services. »
Some people will take the following excuse that in France or in other countries we have one or two services live, and in United States they have all the services possible for them.
iBoomerang ne s'arrête pas à ces services, mais à bien d'autres qui arriveront dans le futur.
iBoomerang will not stuck on those services because there are many services who are coming in the future.
Faisons massivement avec ce que nous avons.
We need to take massive action with what we have.
Ayons confiance en notre PDG qui a déjà une grande vision.
We need to trust in our CEO who have really a huge vision.
Soit vous croyez en la vision du PDG pour avancer, ou si vous n'y croyez pas, c'est dommage.
You have two choices. You need to trust in the CEO vision, or if you don't trust him, it is really unfortunately for you.
Il a déjà fait de grandes choses et je l'ai vu dans le passé.
He already did huge things, and I have myself see him in the past.
Et il nous prépare de plus grandes choses qu'il a pu faire dans le passé.
And he's preparing some things that he had already done in the past.
Et il y aura ceux qui diront « Oh, si j'avais su, mais moi je ne veux pas faire partie des 6, ça veut dire que j'ai manqué l'opportunité. »
There will be some people that will say, oh, if I did know, but I won't be part of that people because that will say that I have missed the opportunity.
Le si veut dire que tu as manqué l'opportunité.
The if will say that you have missed the opportunity.
Mais là, nous sommes là. Qu'allons-nous faire dès aujourd'hui?
But we are right now here. But what will you do today?
Que préparons-nous pour le futur?
What are we preparing for the future?
Car iBoomerang est une société qui est ancrée au sol et qui ne bougera pas.
Because iBoomerang is a company which is stuck here and will not move.
Il y a énormément aujourd'hui de sociétés qui sont là pour quelques mois et qui ne sont plus là.
There are many companies today that are here for few months and then they are not anymore here.
Et moi, je vous le dis aujourd'hui, ça ne sera pas le cas d'iBoomerang.
I'm talking to you today that it will not be the case for iBoomerang.
Et il y a une réelle conviction en cette
You
société.
need to have a real conviction for this company.
Car ce qui fera que les gens vous suivront pour les services, ils sentiront que vous êtes convaincus.
Because why people will follow you for the services because they will feel that you are convinced.
S'ils ne vous voient pas être en train de véhiculer tous ces services, comment voulez-vous qu'ils vous suivent?
If they are not seeing you that you are transmitting these values, how they will follow you?
Certains se posent constamment des questions en se disant « Ouais, personne ne me suit, mais comment tu es? Quelle image tu renvoies à ton public ?»
Some people are daily wondering that why people are not following me, but which image and which message that you are transmitting to your people?
Combien de stories tu fais au quotidien?
How many stories are you sharing daily?
Combien de fois tu utilises le service pour être convaincu?
How many times you are using the service to be convinced?
Combien de fois tu véhicules ton business?
How many times you are transmitting your business?
Parce que la vérité vient de là.
Because the truth is from that.
Et clairement, aujourd'hui, avec iBoomerang, nous allons inonder le marché.
And clearly, with iBoomerang today, we will be inunded the market.
Et aujourd'hui, il y a des principes du succès à respecter qui sont simples.
And today, there are some business principles that we need to respect that are simple as it is.
Numéro 1, vous devez constamment utiliser le produit.
Number one, you need to daily use the product.
Car pour être convaincant de quelque chose, vous l'avez déjà entendu, il faut être convaincu soi-même.
Because to convince people, you already have heard that you need to be convinced yourself.
Moi, j'ai mon Zense aujourd'hui avec moi. Je l'utilise.
I have my Zense with me. I am using it right now.
Je ne peux pas aujourd'hui vouloir parler de mon business sans véhiculer.
I can't talk about my business without transmitting it today.
Et aujourd'hui, lorsque je parle, on sent que je l'utilise.
And today, what I am talking to you, you are feeling that I am using my business.
Est-ce que vous représentez votre marque?
Are you representing your brand?
Est-ce que lorsque vous êtes avec vos familles, avec vos amis, ils vous voient utiliser votre marque?
When you are with your families, with your friends, are they seeing you using your products, the business products?
Il faut déjà se poser des questions ici.
You need to wonder that question first.
C'est pour ça que les 100 PQV, vous devez les faire tous les mois pour vous et votre conviction personnelle.
That's why the 100 PQE, you need to do it monthly for yourself and your business.
La deuxième des choses, est-ce que vous samplez vos produits?
The second thing is, are you sampling your products?
À combien de personnes vous les partagez au quotidien?
How many people are you sharing your products daily?
Car aujourd'hui, les gens n'oublient jamais les cadeaux.
Because today people are not forgetting the gifts.
Lorsque je donne un produit à une personne, la personne m'apprécie pour ce cadeau.
When I am doing a gift to this person and this person is appreciating me for this gift.
Et si la personne m'apprécie, je crée un bon relationnel.
And if these people like me for that, I am creating a very good relationship.
Et regardez, dans la plupart aujourd'hui, des boutiques, des projets qui se lancent, des grosses sociétés qui se lancent, on offre toujours des cadeaux au début. C'est pourquoi.
You need to see the companies that are launching their business when you are going around abroad. They are always doing a gift to people at the first time.
C'est par cette stratégie que vous allez fidéliser vos clients.
It's through this strategy that you will make people you will fidelize your people to your company.
Et je vais même être sincère avec vous. Dès lors où vous partagez, vous n'avez plus besoin de vendre car les gens viennent à vous pour acheter.
I will be sincere with you because if you do this gift, you don't need to go to seek people. They will come to yourself by themselves.
Et c'est comme ça que ça marche.
It is working like this.
C'est pour ça qu'on dit qu'aujourd'hui, au sein d'Iboomerang, vous pouvez réussir sans vendre.
It is that's why, because we are saying today that you can succeed in Iboomerang without selling.
Car nos produits sont aujourd'hui exceptionnels et changent réellement le quotidien des personnes.
Because our products today are amazing and changing daily lives of people today.
Et lorsque vous partagez constamment vos clients, faites-leur faire des vidéos de témoignages que vous mettez sur vos réseaux.
And when you are sharing your products to people, you need to constantly ask them to do some testimonials and ask them to put them in their stories.
Je vois beaucoup de personnes actuellement de mes équipes qui sont en train de faire énormément de témoignages de leurs clients en vidéo et ça leur amène plus de clients.
I am seeing now people of my organization doing some testimonials and this gets them more and more customers.
Car lorsque je partage à mon client est satisfait et étant donné que je lui ai fait un cadeau, il refusera pas un témoignage.
Because when I'm sharing to my customer is satisfied, and when he's satisfied, he won't tell me no, I'm not doing a testimony.
Et son témoignage me ramène beaucoup plus de ventes.
His testimony will bring me more and more sales.
Sans que je force, car les gens ont envie de venir.
Without forcing them, because people want to come by themselves.
C'est ça le vrai leadership.
This is the real leadership.
Le réel leadership, c'est que les gens ont envie de venir vous voir sans que vous forciez.
The real leadership is that people are willing to come to you without forcing them to do it.
Faites donc preuve de leadership avec vos services et vos produits.
You need to use your leadership with your products and services.
Et bien évidemment, l'objectif est de faire pareil avec toutes les personnes de vos organisations.
And obviously, the objective is to do the same thing with all the people of your own organization.
Je suis inspiré de voir Jala et Jackie constamment en tête du Superstar Achiever ainsi que Sam et Kim Bin.
I am inspired that constantly Jala and Jackie Pippins and Sam and Kim Bin at the top stars of the Star Achiever ranks.
Et ils nous montrent quotidiennement l'exemple.
They are daily showing us the example.
Et nous devons suivre tous cet exemple.
We need to all follow this example.
Même nous, en tant que diamant, nous faisons en sorte d'être Star Achiever et de sortir un maximum de Star Achiever.
Even us as diamond, we need we are making efforts to have many Star Achiever and Superstar Achiever in our organization.
Car nous devons montrer l'exemple.
Because we need to lead by example.
Car tout part de cet exemple.
Because all is going from that example.
Ça, c'est votre focus de sortir un maximum de Star Achiever.
This is your focus to go to seek some Star Achiever and many of Star Achievers.
Et je veux que vous me fassiez la promesse.
And I need you to promise me.
Après ce flight school,
after this flight school,
de contacter toutes les personnes de vos équipes actives.
To contact all the active people of your organization.
Et de vous assurer que chacun, en leur expliquant ce que je viens de vous expliquer,
and be sure that you explain to each of them all what I just explained to you.
De vous assurer que chacun soit qualifié Star Achiever.
To be sure that each of them will be qualified as a Star Achiever.
Car beaucoup de personnes ne comprennent pas encore la raison pour laquelle il faut l'être et on doit constamment le rappeler au quotidien.
Because many of them didn't understood yet what they need to be Star Achiever, and we need to remind them remind everybody this explanation daily.
Donc c'est notre focus.
Because it needs to be our focus.
Est-ce qu'aujourd'hui j'ai la team 300 avec moi?
Do I have the team 300 today with me?
Car nous devons être la team 300.
Because we need to be the team 300.
On doit voir du 300 partout.
We need to see 300 everywhere.
À chaque fois qu'on rencontre une personne, s'assurer qu'il soit à 300.
Each time we meet people, we need to be sure that he's at 300 PQV.
Et bien évidemment, tout ça à travers un engagement sur les 12 mois.
And all this can be done with a huge commitment on the 12 months to come.
Et attendez, je vais donner de l'eau à ma traductrice. Wait, I give the water. My translator. Sorry. Et vous devez comprendre, les amis, que ces 12 mois, en fait, il va falloir être constant.
You need that the 12 months, you need to be constant.
La constance donne la réussite.
You need to be regular. The regulation needs to be give you the results.
Je me rappelle, Monsieur Altenberg nous avait dit, il y a maintenant peut-être un peu plus d'un an, il avait dit que ce business, il faut vraiment le voir comme de l'eau que vous allez pomper. Comment on appelle ça? J'ai oublié comment on appelle ça.
I remember that Altenberg said a few months ago that this business is like the water that you take from yes from the like when you want to when you want to drink water, you need to let. It's difficult for me because Ade is choosing some words that are really difficult. Sorry for this, but you need to be regular for this. It's just a question of regulation.
Voilà. Et en fait, quand je parle de pomper, c'est vraiment de constamment faire les actions.
He just wanted to say that you need to daily do an action. You don't have a day which is coming without doing any actions.
Vous engagez pendant 18 mois à vous qualifier Star Achiever.
You need to be committed for 18 months to be a star achiever.
Vous assurera, si vous le faites de la bonne manière, avec la bonne stratégie.
If you do it with the main strategy and the main advices
qui vous sont donnés à travers ces formations que vous pouvez avoir sur iBoom Hub.
That are given to you with the training in iBoom Hub.
Ce qui se passera dans les 12 mois, vous n'imaginez pas où vous serez avec cette société.
You can't imagine where you will be with this society if you are following the strategy and advices.
En fait, grâce à ça, nous allons tout simplement créer une culture aujourd'hui accessible à tous.
With that, we will create today a culture which will be accessible to everybody.
Et bien évidemment, les amis, l'engagement, qu'est-ce qui fera que vous serez engagés pendant ces 12 mois?
Obviously, people, what will be the fact that you will be committed these 12 months?
Soyez dans les bons environnements avec les bonnes personnes.
You need to be in the good environment with the good people.
Entourez-vous de personnes qui veulent travailler, qui veulent réussir.
You need to be with people that want to succeed.
Éloignez-vous des personnes qui vont constamment chercher le négatif là où il n'y en a pas avec
You need
iBoomerang.
to take away that the people that are constantly seeking the negative things with iBoomerang because there is no negative.
Car comme j'aime bien le répéter, si vous passez du temps avec 5 personnes qui sont négatives, vous serez la 6e.
I like to tell this. If you are taking time with 5 people, you will be the 6th.
Et si vous passez avec 5 personnes vous passez du temps avec 5 personnes qui seront positives, vous serez la 6e.
If you take time with 5 people that are positive, you will be the 6th people which is positive.
Moi, je fais en sorte constamment de passer du temps avec des personnes qui me parlent, qui me parlent d'élévation.
I make the effort to take time with people that are constantly talking about me, about elevation.
Car malheureusement, ces personnes négatives sont ceux qui volent vos rêves.
Because unfortunately, these negative people are people who are stealing your dreams.
Et à la finalité, vous vous rendez compte que vous n'avez pas suivi les bonnes énergies.
Finally, you realize that you didn't follow the good energies.
Moi, j'apprends à rester, je préfère rester avec 10 personnes qui seront positives pour mon business qu'une centaine qui sont négatives et qui me ralentisseront dans mon business.
I prefer to stay with 10% which will be positive for my business than with 100 people which will be negative for my business.
Faites en sorte également de vous documenter.
You need to have some culture, to read some documents.
Moi, pour ma part, j'aime lire ces livres. Je suis même en train d'apprendre l'anglais à travers les livres de Monsieur Hens et Monsieur Wimbrey.
For myself, I like to read those books because I am reading the books of Edwin Hines and I am learning English at the same time.
Et pourquoi je regarde leur documentation? Parce que ce sont nos leaders qui ont déjà fait de grandes choses.
Why I'm reading those books? Because it is our leaders that I have already done huge things.
Et qui nous montrent la voie pour grandir.
And they are showing us the train to elevate ourselves.
Et lorsque je lis leurs livres, je suis encore plus motivé.
When I am reading their books, I am enough motivated.
Je fais attention à ce que je fais rentrer dans mon état d'esprit.
I am paying attention what I am introducing in my mindset.
Protégez votre état d'esprit.
You need to protect yourself to protect your mindset.
Nourrissez votre état d'esprit que de choses qui vont vous faire avancer.
You need to put in your mindset only things that make you go to the next level.
C'est la raison pour laquelle les flight schools, il ne faut en manquer aucun.
That's why you don't need to miss any of the flight schools.
Car les flight schools vont tout simplement alimenter positivement votre état d'esprit.
Because the flight school will nourish your mindset.
Et moi, je terminerai vraiment sur ce closing. Nous devons être l'équipe 300.
I will finalize with this closing. We need to be the team 300.
Et aujourd'hui, lorsque je vois le Star Achiever, ça me fait penser à 300.
Today, when I see the Star Achiever, I'm thinking about the figure 300.
Et 300, pour ceux qui ont déjà regardé le film,
For those who have already see the movie 300,
ceux qui n'ont pas encore regardé le film, je vous invite à le regarder.
I advise the people who didn't see it, I advise you to see the movie 300.
Je me rappelle lors de l'événement de Las Vegas en 2019,
I remember the Las Vegas event in 2019.
Monsieur Bugs avait mis une vidéo où il avait tout simplement reconnu Monsieur Hines.
Alton Bergs put a video in which he recognizes Edwin Hines.
Et il avait mis tout simplement une partie du film 300.
And he put a part of the 300 movie.
Et il a vraiment expliqué que c'est cet esprit, l'esprit LUE.
And he explained there that this is really the spirit LUE.
On doit avoir une unité énorme.
We need to have a huge unity.
L'unité va nous faire constamment grandir.
The unity will elevate ourselves constantly.
Créez avec vos équipes des environnements où vous focalisez tout le monde Star Achiever.
You need to create environment with your teams that you focus everybody as a star achiever.
Que ça soit des Zooms, que ça soit des salles que vous prenez.
Choose between the Zoom, between the doors, between the rooms, all you want.
Ayez cette détermination d'Amazon ou de Spartiate.
You need to have the determination of Amazon or Spartiate.
Pourquoi? Parce que eux sont déterminés et personne ne les arrête.
Why? Because they are determined and nobody can stop them.
Ils sont focus et imperturbables.
They are focused and they can't be perturbated.
Personne ne doit vous perturber pour votre business.
Nobody can perturbate you for your business.
Vous entendrez des personnes dire « Oh, il y a telle nouvelle société qui pense que ailleurs c'est meilleur. »
You will learn from people that there is a new company and they will think that the grass is greener abroad.
Et l'erreur qu'ils font, c'est que tous les 6 mois, ils recommencent à faire les mêmes erreurs.
And the mistake that they're done is each 6 months they are doing the same mistakes.
Et moi, ça ne m'intéresse pas.
And this is not interesting me.
Je suis là pour construire.
I am here to build.
Je suis là pour construire un prix pour mes générations futures,
I am here to build a proof for my future generation.
pour ma famille,
For my family.
pour mes projets,
For my projects.
pour mes équipes.
For my teams.
Et c'est dans cet état d'esprit que nous devons être.
And you need to be in that type of mindset.
Et clairement, moi, ce mindset, je le véhicule quotidiennement.
And clearly, this type of mindset, I'm transmitting it daily.
Je suis un Spartiate et personne m'empêchera d'atteindre mes objectifs.
I am a Spartiate and nobody will disturb me by achieving my objectives.
Soyons l'équipe 300.
You need to be the team 300.
Faisons en sorte que tout le monde soit Star Achiever.
We need to be able to make everybody star achiever.
Maximisons les superstars achievers.
We need to maximize the star achievers.
Ayez même vos diplômes que le PDG vous envoie avec vous.
You need to have your certificates that the CEO sent to you. You need to have constantly the certificates with you.
Et ça doit faire partie de la culture de votre business.
It needs to be part of the culture of your
Vous
business.
devez inonder les réseaux sociaux en expliquant ce que vous avez vu.
You need to put this everywhere in your social network and explain that you have it.
Nous avons un PDG qui aujourd'hui nous récompense pour notre travail.
You have a CEO today which is giving a gift for our works.
En 12 ans, je n'ai jamais vu un PDG aussi proche de son réseau que M. Alton Bugs. J'en ai jamais vu aucun.
In 12 years of experience, I've never seen a CEO as near as their teams than Altenburgs.
Il est constamment proche de nous,
He's constantly near to us,
à nous donner de la force.
giving our strength.
Monsieur Edwin Hentz est également très accessible.
Edwin ends also as enough as accessible.
Et ça, c'est quelque chose d'énorme que je n'avais jamais vu dans toutes les compagnies que j'ai rencontrées avant ça.
This is an amazing thing that I never seen before in all the industries, all the network companies I did before.
Et aujourd'hui, nous avons cette chance de tout simplement l'avoir en intervention au moins, ne serait-ce une fois par mois. Bon, vas-y, traduis ça.
And sorry. And
Sorry.
Today,
I'm very excited. Vas-y.
and today,
Oh.
and today we have the luck that we don't have in other companies that I've seen in the past. Mhm.
Et je me rappelle à l'époque où j'avais rencontré M. Altenburgs en 2013 à Las Vegas.
And I remember in the past, in 2013, that I have seen Altenburgs.
Il était inaccessible tellement il était arrivé à un niveau extraordinaire.
He was not accessible because he has achieved a level which was amazing.
Aujourd'hui, vous avez la chance lors des flight schools à ce que il peut être présent ou lors des grandes annonces.
And today you have the luck that in the flight school, sometimes he do some appearance and with the huge announcements, he's there.
Et ça, c'est quelque chose d'extraordinaire.
And this is just amazing.
Je n'ai jamais vu une société avec une culture pareille.
I never seen before a company with such a culture.
C'est la raison pour laquelle je serai là jusqu'au bout. J'ai posé ma valise.
This is why I am here until the end, and this is why I have put down my luggage.
Et je sais que, en fait, il faut savoir que les gens vont suivre les personnes qui ont de la vision, les gens qui construisent.
You need to know and to take into account that people will follow you because you have the vision and that people who are building something.
Maintenant, la question à savoir, c'est est-ce que vous voulez aujourd'hui réellement réussir?
And the question today that you need to wonder, do you really want to succeed today?
Engagez-vous durant ces 12 mois.
You need to commit yourself during these 12 months in the future.
Dans 13 jours, il va y avoir, le compte à rebours est lancé. Dans 13 jours, il va y avoir un gros boom.
In 13 days, there will be a big boom
Car de nouveaux services arrivent.
because new services are coming.
Ils changeront énormément de choses pour énormément de familles.
They will change many things for many families.
Et c'est les plus patients qui récolteront.
The more passion will get the results.
C'est les plus engagés qui
The
récolteront.
more committed will get the results.
C'est les plus travailleurs qui
The
récolteront.
more workers will get the results.
C'est ceux qui sont là pour construire qui
The
récolteront.
people who are here to build will get the results.
Et je vous le dis, que vous soyez diamant ou pas encore même director,
I am saying you that you are diamond or not in as directors.
c'est votre moment.
It is your moment.
Ne regardez pas les positions.
You don't need to see ranks.
Concentrez-vous sur la ligne d'arrivée.
You need to be focused on your destination
Car c'est là où sont les réponses.
because it is it is where the answers are.
Et en tout cas, j'espère que ce Flight School que cette intervention a été claire pour chacun d'entre vous.
I hope that this intervention was really clear for all of us.
Continuez à mettre un maximum d'étoiles pour nos enfants nécessiteux dans
You
le
need
monde.
to follow to put stars for all the people, all the children needed all around the world.
Continuez à travailler pour vos rêves.
You need to work for your dreams.
Continuez à vous qualifier en Star Achiever et à qualifier un grand nombre de personnes en Star
You need
Achiever.
to follow by qualifying yourself as a star achiever and qualify your organization as a star achiever.
Ayez tous vos places pour le prochain événement Accelerate,
You need to all take your tickets for the next event, Accelerate,
car ça fait partie de vos engagements.
because it is among your commitments.
C'est un investissement pour vous-même, pour votre réussite.
It is an investment for yourself and for your success.
C'est un investissement pour que vous puissiez valoriser votre business.
And it is an investment how you can make your business go to the next level.
Ce type d'événement vous donne 6 mois d'avance, 6 mois d'avance sur votre business.
With this type of event, you will have 6 months in advance on your business.
Sur ce, moi, j'en ai terminé. Je vous remercie.
I have finished. I'm really saying you thank you.
Je redonne la main à Mark Kitcart et Terence Gray.
I'm giving the floor to Michael Cart and Terence Gray.
Et moi, je vous dis à très bientôt. Ce fut un énorme plaisir.
And I am saying you see you soon. It was really a great pleasure to share this with you.
Et rendez-vous tous au sommet ensemble.
And see you to the top together.
Wow. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Merci. And One of the things that's really crazy is that we know that you use a translator, but all over the chats, people were saying the same thing. Passion needs no translation. You are definitely on fire for our Boomerang, and we appreciate that training.
Awesome. Love this picture 300, and that says it all. Thank you so much, Mr. Coma.
Yes. So absolutely. I just wanted to get the screen clear. Abdi, great, fantastic job. Let's take our picture, everybody. You guys ready? Abdi, it's time for our picture.
Yes.
Awesome. We love you, man. Thank you so much. You did a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
See you later.
All right. Well, Mark, that was a fire training today. I mean, we really got a huge blessing all the way from France.
Yeah.
So that was just absolutely powerful.
Casper lit up. Casper on fire, man.
Yes.
Look, David Hunt. Look at what David Hunt just put in the chat. How many fire emojis is that?
I didn't know you could put that many fire emojis into one comment.
Awesome. Good deal.
Awesome.
So thank you so much for joining us today. Love you guys.
Yes, we love you guys. We want to let you guys know, here's what's coming up later on today. We have our Project 10K presentation coming to us from Diamond Avinash Nagama out of UK. And after that, at 8 o'clock, we have Emerald Tawana Houston doing the presentation in English at 8 p.m. Central. And in Spanish at 9 p.m., we have Emerald Monica Chavez. So definitely a great lineup of opportunities to share the boom today. So that said, Mark, I think we can call it a wrap.
The wrap. We love you guys.
Love you guys. Hugs. Let's go boom.
Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, foot on the gas and I'm going fast. I accelerated 200 and it's on the dash. I accelerated, always first, never coming last. I accelerated, take flight, yeah, first class. I accelerated, yeah, I accelerated. I'm going fast now. You know they don't want beef. I feel like a cash cow. Stack it up. I put all my money in Teslas. They tryna catch up, but ain't fast enough. We the winners, it's unanimous. I threw a boomerang and hopped on a plane when somewhere it never rains. Yeah, we breaking records like every day, and you know it'll never change. I'm swerving on in my own lane with ice water in my veins. And we built a team so strong, yeah, you know we gotta maintain. Yeah, wait. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, foot on the gas and I'm going fast. I accelerated 200 and it's on the dash. I accelerated, always first, never coming last. I accelerated, take flight, yeah, first class. I accelerated. Yeah, you know I accelerate. Every day I gotta celebrate, and you know I had to elevate. Every morning gotta meditate. All this paper that I'm finna make. Feel like Jordan cause I bought a day. $1 million, yeah, it's on the way. I'ma be the one they nominate. Every day feel like a holiday. I ain't playing, I'ma get it. I don't want my car to be rented, and I want my windows tinted. I just wanna be independent, feeling like the lieutenant. Money man in the system, and you know I'm finna get it. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, accelerate, 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 accelerate. Yeah, foot on the gas and I'm going fast. I accelerated 200 and it's on the dash. I accelerated, always first, never coming last. I accelerated, take flight, yeah, first class. I accelerated.